man, if I don't take care of myself, how can I possibly take care of anybody else? And that just like, that's for real. And all I can think about today is like how could anybody look at me, look up to me at all if I'm not doing any of those things? So that's something that I'm trying to focus on. I know a lot of guys struggle with that. A lot of guys struggle with like, taking care of yourself, all the different things, your mental, your spiritual, your physical health. Like a lot of people just struggle with doing that, and the reason why it needs to be a priority in your life is exactly what I said. There's no way that you can even offer a single bit of actual help to other people without that being a drain onto yourself if you haven't taken care of those things for yourself. I can go out and serve my wife, serve my kids, serve my friends, but eventually I'm gonna burn out, and I don't want to burn out, but that's where it ultimately leads when I don't take care of myself first. There's no way that you could do that. There's no way you can sustain that. And I constantly get stuck in this cycle of doing that. I wake up, I'm ready to work, I'm working on other people's problems, other businesses' problems, not solving my problems first. So it burns me out. I get stressed out because it's like I didn't get what I needed to do done today for me. I didn't work on the things that I needed to do for myself. So my family's gone. Which is rare. I got a big family. My family's not here. And all I could think about to do is literally, nobody's here. I want to leave and go run. So I'm going to go get a quick run in, take care of that. I'm going to pray. I need to get my spiritual self in order, which is a lot easier when you're doing something physical. You quiet your body and your mind. So you just talk to God. It's great. You should try that. Then I'm going to come back here, and then I'll probably be able to get most of the things that I needed to do done in a much shorter time. So I need to make sure to do that every day. I hope that you guys can make the same decision too. Let's get it.